Good morning, interwebs. According to my alarm, it is 7:03. It's not my alarm, my phone. And we are at Lamar, Colorado. Just pulled into the station. Got to doze this morning with like hay bales and pretty country. So, just about to get around, put on some more clothes. Apparently the heavy coat was a good deal because it was very pleasant to sleep under, so that's good. Now I need to dig out a few more layers because it's cold. So yeah, gonna pile on some stuff, have a little breakfast, and probably get back after my shawl for a while. It's early. I mean, I didn't sleep that many hours, but I will probably take another nap in a little bit. I'm between Lamar and La Junta, Colorado, and I got my breakfast, little breakfast biscuits and some cranberry juice, just enjoying the view, and I'm going to work some more on my shawl. This is a burnout pop I'm using, and actually, I'm in the white section, and I'm not super happy with it. Like, it's got like all these little like kind of dots of the other colors through the cream, which I guess theoretically could be okay if it looked like it was supposed to be a speckle, but it kind of just looks like, I don't know, the yellow bits that are through it just almost look dirty. I don't know, not my favorite. I think I might have preferred it to be a little bit more, either have way more speckle, which actually would probably be my preference, or be more clear. I don't know, we'll see. I'm sure it'll turn out fine. I'm just about to start decreasing as soon as I switch to the yellow. It is like 11:40 or 12:41. Just woke up from my mid-morning nap. I had like a giant chicken Caesar salad I brought with me. This is the current view out my window. I had this closed because it was super sunny when I went to sleep. But we are currently at the station in Las Vegas, New Mexico. Not the lights of the other Las Vegas, but we should be pulling out of here shortly. And then we'll just keep chugging. It's like 5:15, I think, California time. I've been asleep for the last like I don't know, 5-ish hours on and off. But I forgot to say goodnight to you last night. Well, I didn't really forget. I was in like a good mood. Talked to my family, said goodnight, all that good stuff. I was working my sock. So I had started this sock last night, and then I wasn't happy with the toe, like it was too pointy. So then I had another ball, which was going to make the other sock. So I reconfigured my sock recipe for the toe. I did that, and I'm actually all the way through the foot and starting to guess it. And yes, I'm talking to you in the bathroom. On the little dressing room part. That way I could kind of talk to you and you can hear people talking outside the door. Sort of my sock. And then my phone, I had checked, I turned on my data so that I could check my train status and stuff. And then I get pinged with an email from YouTube informing me that my channels are all being demonetized because I'm not big enough. So, then I was a little upset, and so I didn't talk to you last night because it all just seemed a little worthless at the time. But I know I've had hours to like deal with it, and I'll talk more about it when I can talk more freely. But anyways, I just wanted to let you know what I was up to. I've been making socks, and now I was sleeping, and now I'm using the bathroom. Well, I'm done using the bathroom, but I was in the bathroom. See, here's the bathroom. You don't ordinarily live on the tripod, but it was so I could set you up on like my tray table and stuff. So anyways, I'm gonna head back up to my seat and kind of organize my things a bit more, try and get them all back in the bags they came out of. Now when we get to LA, I can go pick up my rental car, which I'll tell you more about later too, because I'm not taking the train to my parents. I'm going to drive. Okay. I will see you all in tomorrow's video, which will start probably when I get to LA. So, nighty night.